fact say or say some charges here yede abo accused persons in fact they are contestable. In fact he made an example say or share jumaya say base capital
that neighbor first time now all cano a defense lawyer asem say oh the lawyers are prosecuting here one lawyer are defending but he because now a lawyer are defending he is so in the mood say attorney general no is so defending him because they actually only true in an innocent innocent Zambia okay can be any breach of trust the financial trust and any money again in the press conference he doesn't see those things as any serious offense and that's it to an amount of 5.7 billion no? Or also we money adeno as I said I almost say bank ejuma be na bank ye ejuma bank ye nyina na so obeche nkrofo sika de egu edemu so obi ehia sika de bia no de amano o de business na emfaso baso bank no enya bi okoje bosia na obi ye anot nti se oti bank na se nkrofo de sika de gu ho now my sika no so na de koye ade fofra now say we nye kro no a mentia say na nkrofo sika say bank clean up exercise is also a serious thing na anakufu ado aban ba ye na o hwe ma ye clean ye they just want to anka no an say be group be dia obi so okọ banga obekọ no me no me no naka haprekra no oni ho no mo a ye de ma wo and then people don't see this as an offense, including the whole attorney general. Very serious.
Yeah, budget also.
And upon punishment, there are theories of punishment. One of the theories of punishment, and they say, as I said, deterrence. Deterrence, no. They say, they be bo obi na enipa no onye sabi. Anasa de me no de yen no nti ebebo asimesi obentin hu sa de kro no onye bi ewo man enti no ka se eno nti no asem na ba mia ma free parties no me de aye kokobo bi animu a se de wo ka kire nyina ne se me Kwame Anyimadu bi nya opportunity bi a aban sika mi wia Attorney General principle there but say a 60-40. Mitimitia a most 60 40 can send them me honomedy.
So you feel that